Hey guys, Ride Pro back again, another bike for sale. Today we have a 2014 Yamaha V-star 1300. Really nice bike. This one's red in color. Has the V-star windshield on it. In great shape. The whole bike's in great shape. It only has 600 miles. It's a nice big motor, 1300cc. Has the Yamaha floorboards there, stock exhaust, nice and quiet. Looks like some aftermarket bags. Also has the Yamaha backrest. Tires are like new. All around the bike's like new. Seats are in excellent condition. Still has the warning label on the tank here. No chrome pitting or rust or anything like that. It's all in perfect shape. Go ahead and start this one up. It's got 635 miles to be exact. 635 miles. Starts right up. We have discounted shipping rates available, so if you're looking to ship this bike out of state and bring it to your home state, we can help with that. Just give us a call, give us your zip code, and we'll get you a price for that. You can also fly into Tampa Bay International. We'll pick you up for free. You can ride it home. Any other questions about this bike, please give us a call. We're at 813-615-1700. Or check us out on our website at www.myridepro.com. Thanks for watching.